So here we are going to learn a set of important MCQs from different chapters of biology. So this is set 1 or model test paper 1. So let us start. It has not escaped our notice that the specific pairing we have postulated immediately suggests a possible coping mechanism for genetic material. This is written in it is written in Watson and Crick's model of double stranded DNA. So option number is the right answer. Next is eukaryotic RNA polymerase 3 catalyze the synthesis of tRNA. The regulatory genes are located in front of the structural genes. A female silk moth lays about 3 to 400 to 1000 eggs. Option number A is right answer. The specific DNA sequence where EcoR1 cuts. So EcoR1 cut करता है GATX site पे. Option number B is the right answer. The sex chromosome in a Klinefelter male is. So it is option number A. They have one extra X chromosome. The enzyme DNA polymerase was discovered by. So it was discovered by Kornberg. Option number A is the right answer. The wings of bat and bird are similar in function, which is called analogous, and they are not homologous. So option number B is the right answer. Analogous but not homologous. Next is Mesozoic era is known as age of the reptiles. Which one is not a vestigial organ? So Philiprops seal, they are not vestigial organ. Next is coacervates are. So they are the colloidal drops which contain nucleoproteins. So option number C is the right answer. The theory of spontaneous generation or abiogenesis was disproved by. So it was disproved by Louis Pasteur. Option number C, right answer. A medical technician, while observing a human blood smear under the microscope, notes the presence of Barr body close to the nuclear membrane in blue. This indicates that person under investigation is a normal female. Cross-sectional image of internal body structure can be obtained by using medical technique computed axial tomography. Option number C is the right answer. The normal level of hemoglobin per 100 ml of the blood in women is 12 to 14 gram. So option number A, maybe 12 to 14 gram. Next question, which of the following is an inherited disorder? So it is albinism. Female infanticide is commonly reported in Madurai. The species of animal protected in Kaziranga sanctuaries. So Kaziranga is a sanctuary located in Assam, and it is famous for one horned rhinoceros. That is Rhinoceros unicornis. Option number B is the right answer. The drug that cause malformation in embryo during pregnancy are called teratogens. Option number B is the right answer. In analytical technique that is used in solving dispute based on DNA polymorphism are called DNA fingerprinting. The technique uses the body's water molecule as the basis of images. So body के water molecule को use करके जो images बनाते हैं, it is MRI. Next question is LSD is obtained from. So it is obtained from Claviceps purpurea. Proliferation of the cancer cell is not limited because aberrant chromosomal complement. Option number D is the right answer. The rejection of organ transplanting in human is prevented by using cyclosporin. Option number B is the right answer, and it is very important question. Naloxone is used as an antidote intravenously for overdose of the morphine. Phyllodes is modified leaf. Phylloclade modified stem, whereas phyllodes is a modified leaf. Dendrochronology, it is the determination of the age of the tree. Photosynthesis is maximum in blue and red light. Which of the following is an endospermic seed? Very important question. So it is castor. The digestion of starch by amylase is completed in the duodenum. Option number D is the right answer. It is started in the mouth and completed in the duodenum. The movement of chloride ions into erythrocyte from plasma to maintain the osmotic balance during transport of gases is known as, so it is called chloride shift or Hamburger phenomenon. Excretion of nitrogenous waste product in semi-solid form occur in the uricotelic animal which excrete uric acid. Next, human ear is equipped to register sound of frequency in between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, that is 20 to 20,000 cycles per second. Option number A is the right answer. The autonomic nervous system has control over the internal organs. In situation of fear, there is an increase in this hormone. So it is called fear hormone or stress hormone. It is adrenaline. Which one is the excretory organ in the following? So it is solenocyte, which are also called flame cells. In the following abnormalities of the eye, which one is serious condition that leads to blindness? So it is glaucoma disease. The nutritive cells found in seminiferous tubule are, they are Sertoli cells. The most appropriate definition of neuronal cells are, they are non-sensory sporting cells. Deficiency of tocopherol in the human body causes this condition. Tocopherol is vitamin E's name, so it causes infertility. Crypts of lubricant is example of simple tubular gland. Which one of the following has the smallest diameter? They are respiratory bronchiole. Kidney stones are, they are very important question. It is a very important question. So option number C, that is crystal of calcium oxalate. Which part of the brain is involved in loss of control when a person drinks alcohol? So it is cerebellum. Option number A is the right answer. Ornithine cycle refer to the sequence of biochemical reaction takes place in the liver. The low pressure below the arterial result in, so it result in the release of CO2 from the cell. The lens and corneas not having blood supply, so the nutrients are supplied by, so they are supplied by aqueous humor. The main function of trophoectoderm in mammalian embryo is, so it perform a lot of function, but if we have to choose, then it is formation of placenta. Milk secretion in mammal is associated with, so it is related to prolactin. When both parents are of blood type AB, they can have children with A, B and AB type of blood groups. Option number B is the right answer.